Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to remove linked accounts from your My Geo application. So the Geo is one of the largest service provider in India. They provide fastest 4G LTE technology as well as unlimited free calling service for prime and non-prime users. And some users are using one or more Geo SIM cards in their various devices like that Android mobile and Geo Fi hotspot device. So they are manage their account details by linked with their one or more Geo numbers via My Geo application. But sometimes if your Geo SIM card is blocked or you give your Geo SIM card to another person, your linked accounts are visible in your My Geo application. So how to delete that unwanted account details from your My Geo application? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open My Geo application via my new Android mobile. But before going to the process, first of all enable your Geo data connection or you can use GeoFi network. Because this My Geo application only works on the Geo network. So I try to open my Geo application. Then it shows updating. So now in this homepage section, you can press that horizontal lines icon. It is located at the almost top of left side. Then it shows lots of options. So here you can go to settings and the final one. So now in the settings section, you can go to manage account section and it is located at the bottom of your profile. So here you can see, so it shows my two Geo linked accounts and the first one is my Android mobile Geo SIM card details and the another one is my GeoFi device account details. So here I try to delete my GeoFi device details and the second one. So how to do it? So just press that remove option. Then it asks for confirmation. So you can select yes. So finally here you can see my GeoFi Geo SIM card account is successfully removed. So this is the way you can easily delete your Geo linked account details by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.